Today we are going to make homemade popsicles. Our first popsicle is coconut popsicle. 3 tablespoon milk. 3 tablespoon yogurt. 2 tablespoon coconut syrup. Now mix all ingredients well together. When mixed well, we can fill the mold. It will take only 3 to 5 hours to freeze. Now let's make yogurt popsicle. For that we need 2 tablespoon milk, 3 tablespoon yogurt, 3 tablespoon cream, 1 tablespoon sugar. Vanilla extract will give a better taste, therefore you can add a few drops of it. Mix all ingredients well together. Now fill the mold. The third popsicle is yogurt and orange popsicle. Let's start. Sugared yogurt. For sugared yogurt, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt and 1 tablespoon sugar. Now add any juice. I am using orange juice. Be careful, we don't want the layers to mix. The next recipe is a children's favorite, chocolate popsicle. For that we need 4 tablespoon cream, 2 tablespoon milk, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder, mix all ingredients well together. Fill your mold to the top. If you like our videos, then subscribe this channel. Let us now make pure strawberry popsicle. With only one ingredient, take some frozen or fresh strawberries and puree until really fine. You can add some water. There is no need of any sugar, but if you want, you can add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar. The strawberries should have such a consistency. Now let's fill the mold with pured strawberries. Now let us make delicious layered strawberry and yogurt popsicle. 2 tablespoon yogurt, 1 tablespoon sweetened condensed milk. Now whisk both ingredients well together. First add some pured strawberry. Now add a layer of the yogurt and condensed milk. Now add another layer of pured strawberry. Repeat the layering process as much as you want to. You can cover the molds with cling film. Put your molds in the freezer for 3 to 5 hours. This is the result. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then subscribe our channel. Tell us in the comments section below what you think of these delicious popsicles. If you want, you can watch more videos of ours here. Thanks for watching.